Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to start a project to fix the hole in this painting that I'm very upset about still. I put it up on the post that I use when I take pictures, and I turned away and the post fell down and the nail went right through. It's a very small hole, so I don't know if you can really see. I've got it pushed so that it is more towards the back than towards the front. And we are going to use this block of canvas sheets, just like a notebook but with canvas sheets, instead of buying a whole roll of loose canvas, which was very expensive. I just got this pretty affordable block of sheets, and I've already done it, but cut out a little piece of it, and I'm gonna glue it to this back. Some archival glue, and fingers crossed that that's what's going to work. Okay, and I've got the whole thing covered with glue. And I'm going to firmly press it down. Squeeze out all the extra glue. Get it on the back too, because I don't want it peeling off. Came through a little bit. There are a lot of cracks in the paint. Okay, and now we let it dry, and then we'll fix it on the outside. Okay, here we are. It's been actually a couple weeks. And it took several days for this to dry. It was still, it was dry, but it was still kind of tacky, and it was a little bit bubbled up. So I just left it for a while. So, I don't know, here, try to angle it so you can see. There's a little bit of a divot there. There's actually more of a divot from my fingers when I made the handprint. So I'm not too worried about the imprint or the divot. I bought this molding paste in case there was like a deep hole or crater that I needed to level out. I don't think I'm going to need it. There is a crack that goes through where the paint cracked all the way through, and I don't think there's too much I can do about that. I think that the self-leveling Floetrol is going to get in there and it'll kind of fill it in. So we're going to go ahead and give it a shot. I'm using my pouring paint. It's got the Floetrol mixed in already. This way it'll be the exact same color. It might be a little bit different. Okay. I'm just going to kind of dab it in there. go along the crack. There is a bit of a crack that goes through that red, but that's okay. It's pretty minor. I'm going to take this sable brush and just try and get it as smooth as possible so it's not like a real bubble. This black, it's hard to tell if I've got everything. Alright, a little bubble here. The edge. Okay. Guess now we just let it dry and see what happens. Fingers crossed, everybody. Alright, and here we are, post-drying. Can't say that I'm entirely happy with it, but as you can see, there's still a divot there. And the paint is not the same color, even though it should be the same color. You can still see the cracks too. I don't know if you guys can see that here. I'll zoom in. See the cracks. So since I'm keeping this for myself, I'm just gonna leave it at this and move forward. There's no longer a hole, so that's was my main goal. So I guess that worked, that little patch. And I can use it maybe in the future. If something happens to something before I paint it, I think that would come out a lot better. Rather than trying to repair something that was already there. Anyway, there it is, how to repair a painting. And we'll see you next time, I guess. Thanks for watching.